In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the sync pending issue in OneDrive in just 5 minutes. So if you're struggling with files not syncing in OneDrive, you've come to the right place. We'll go through some straightforward steps to get everything back on track. Let's dive right in. First up, locate the OneDrive icon on your taskbar. This icon usually resides in the notification area at the bottom right corner of your screen. Clicking on it will bring up a small window showing your OneDrive status. Now, the next thing you want to do is click on the gear icon to open settings. This gear icon is typically found within the OneDrive window just next to your account name and other options. Once the settings window is open, you'll see various options. What you need to do next is pause the syncing. You can find this by selecting Pause Syncing from the drop-down menu. By pausing the sync, you're essentially giving OneDrive a momentary rest. This step can help resolve any temporary hitches you might be experiencing. Moving on, the fourth step is to quit OneDrive entirely. To do this, look for the Quit OneDrive option within the same menu or in the notification area. By quitting the application, we are making sure that everything gets a fresh start when we open it again. Next, open your File Explorer by clicking on the folder icon generally located on your desktop or taskbar. Once you're in File Explorer, select OneDrive to view your synced files and folders. Now we need to restart OneDrive. To do this, simply navigate to where OneDrive is located in your Start menu or search for it in the search bar. Clicking on Start OneDrive from here will restart the application. This will also restart the sync process, which can often immediately resolve the pending sync issue. However, if you still notice that sync is pending, sometimes a more drastic step is needed: a simple PC restart. Restarting your computer can do wonders to clear out temporary glitches that might still be affecting the sync process. You'd be amazed how many times a simple reboot solves tech issues. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to fixing any pesky sync pending problems in OneDrive. Remember, technology can often be unpredictable, but with a methodical approach, most issues can be easily resolved. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.